Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming key parts and laying out the plan. Gather a TWS Bluetooth audio module, DAC/amp, 6 9mm drivers, a 3.7V LiPo, charging circuit and mic. Once done, power the module on separately to confirm it boots in pairs. Next, test both drivers with a 1K HC tone at low volume to verify polarity and sound. Make sure to sketch the internal layout and mark where the antenna and battery will sit. This reduces rework later. You now wire and integrate the components carefully. Start by soldering audio outputs from the Bluetooth module to the DAC/amp inputs. Use short, shielded runs and secure grounds. Then attach the drivers, observing polarity, and mount the mic near the face opening. Once wired, add the charging and protection circuit for the LiPo and verify voltage rails with a multimeter. If the module requires firmware or codec configuration, flash or set priorities now. Then pair to a phone and test both mono and stereo channels to confirm operation. You finish by assembling and validating performance. Place components in the housing, isolate the driver and battery with foam, and route the antenna away from metal to preserve range. Close the enclosure, then run test tracks for bass, mids, and highs while noting any distortion. Tweak EQ or damping as needed. Finally, measure battery life under normal playback and perform a pairing test. If something goes wrong, reflow suspect solder joints first. Make sure the battery voltage is correct and the antenna is not obstructed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.